This picture gives information of a classroom. From the picture, we can see there are many pieces of furniture in the room, which include desks, chairs, and bookcases. A large blackboard is on the wall with a lot of posters around it. There are also many lamps hung over the desks. Besides, some stationery and books are on the desks, and the floor is made of wood. To sum up, the graph tells about a classroom. This picture gives information about equipment of a worker. According to the picture, this is a male worker who wears a yellow helmet. Also, he wears a pair of protective glasses and a pair of earphones. If necessary, he will put on a mask. He can use tools including a hammer, a pair of pliers, and an electrical driver. To protect the hands, he can wear a pair of gloves. Finally, a pair of boots can be worn by him. To sum up, the graph tells about equipment of a worker. This picture gives information of a science centre's layout. From the picture, we can see there are many different areas in the centre, which include exhibit hall, gift shop, workshop, special exhibit, and restroom. The workshop is located at the very centre of the science centre. Also, many pieces of furniture are placed in those areas, including desks, sofas, and chairs. Besides, many visitors are in every area of the centre. To sum up, the graph tells about a science centre. This picture gives information of a modern kitchen. From the picture, we can see there are many pieces of furniture in the kitchen, which include stools, chairs, a table, and cabinets. Also, many bowls and plates are placed on and in the cabinets. Next to the sink, it is a refrigerator. On the floor, many square tiles are found. On the tiled wall, the kitchen has a cupboard with some bottles on it. To sum up, the graph tells about a modern kitchen. This picture gives information of a very large office. In the picture, there are many pieces of furniture in the room, which include sofas, end tables, chairs, desks, and cabinets. Also, many pictures and drawings are hung on the walls. On the desks, we can see many desktop displays. On the floor, a few green plants for indoor decoration are found. The doors and the windows in the picture are made of glass. To sum up, the graph tells about a very large office. If you have any question for Describe Image, feel free to email me. I'll send you the correct answer. Email is in description.